people like to be good, right? So if you're good, people are like, the biggest obstacle to being great is just being good. So if you're good at something, like, yeah, it's pretty fun to be good. But being content with that, right? It doesn't allow you to be great. So like, what we're doing right now is pretty good that I'm watching. But I don't want to just be pretty good. You understand what I'm talking about? All right, let's go. Team together, 1, 2, 3, team together. Here we go. Let's go, window, window, window. Here we go.
No, stop.
That's it, let's go. Good, Kendall, let's go. It gets split. See, just go. Keep on the side, no middle. Good try.